Bob is the utility manager for his local water utility. Bob's plant has been operating properly, but the water tower on site is aging, and he's worried this might introduce bacteria into the utility's water supply, compromising the safety of the water. The city council agrees that replacing the water tower is a good idea, but this will be an expensive project that the town might not be able to afford. Fortunately, Bob has heard about low interest loan options from the State Revolving Fund program, which may be a good option for his utility. The SRF is a program funded by the EPA that offers low cost financing for a wide variety of water, wastewater, and stormwater projects. States are eligible to receive these funds when they submit an intended use plan to the EPA. An intended use plan describes how the state plans to use the SRF money. IUPs also include information about interest rates, principal forgiveness, set aside funds, and much more. Part of the IUP is a project priority list, which shows what projects the state intends to fund. Projects are ranked on a point system based on broad categories, such as regulatory compliance and financial sustainability. Fixing the water tower will address facility upgrades to maintain compliance, so Bob knows his project will receive points in the regulatory compliance category. Now that Bob has read through his state's IUP, it's time to start the SRF application process. To be prepared, Bob reviews his state's SRF application materials, attends SRF training, and consults with an SRF representative to learn about how he can improve his application before submitting, all of which improve Bob's chances of securing funding. Bob just got his SRF decision back. The water tower project has been approved for a low interest loan. To accept the loan, Bob will need to submit an engineering report, put out bids for contractors, and submit reimbursements, among other administrative requirements. There's work that still needs to be done, but Bob is well on his way to fixing his water tower. The State Revolving Fund can be an attractive funding option for many utilities because it covers a broad range of projects with different loan options. Understanding your state's requirements, application process, timeline, and necessary actions to receive the loan is critical. Each state has its own process for applying to an SRF. It's important to be aware of your state's requirements. To learn more about how your state's SRF program works, check the switchboard on the Southwest EFC's website or EPA's DWSRF and CWSRF pages found in the description below.
For more water and wastewater educational content, subscribe.